Hi, this is Gary Breeds with TouchSuite, and today we're going to learn a little bit about TouchSuite's Recharge program. Now, our Recharge program is fantastic. It's for merchants, perhaps like you, that have recurring payments for your clients. You might own a supply company. You might have an apartment complex or other rental properties. You may own a gym or other membership-driven company, and you want to bill your clients each and every month on a specific time for a specific dollar amount. With the Recharge program, we make that quick, simple, safe, and cost-effective. Now, you might also wish to bill clients on a one-time basis or allow them to have open invoices. Perhaps you're a supplier. You've got plumbers that are buying their parts from your business, and they may have many invoices open at once. You might allow your customers to have terms. They might be able to pay the bill immediately or in 2 weeks or in 30 days. It's up to you. With the Recharge program, you can electronically bill your clients for a single invoice, for multiple invoices, or on an ongoing recurring payment model. There's some tremendous benefits for you. You know exactly when you billed them. You've emailed your customers with a copy of the invoice that they can open and pay for immediately. No more licking stamps, stuffing envelopes, and waiting for checks and payments to come in the mail. You can bill your clients electronically and automatically debit their bank account, their credit card, or allow them to pay online with their credit card or debit card, or still continue to send you a payment or stop by your business and make a payment. And you can process each one of those payments simply and easily. Let me show you how it works. Here's your Recharge dashboard. You can see it's quick and easy to view. You can see a list of all of your invoices or create a new invoice. You can look up a list of all of your clients and add new clients. The items that are listed might be actual products you sell or services or the rent for the units that you occupy. You can see a list of all of the payments and track new payments. And of course, you have a whole series of reports designed to show you which payments have been collected, how much revenue you've earned per client, any older accounts that haven't yet paid, and the particular items of inventory that you're selling the most. Let me give you an example. Let's look up a recent invoice. We can see that invoice 00739 for Gary at TouchSuite was issued for $100 on January 7th of this year. We can see that it's not due until February of this year, and we can also see that the client has viewed the email that they were sent. Let's say that Gary from TouchSuite shows up at your location and is ready to make a payment today. You just simply click on the invoice and enter a payment on that invoice. At this point, Gary might be paying the full invoice or a partial amount. If he's paying a partial amount, you enter in the amount that he's paying. If your customer is paying in full, just click the Pay Full balance and the full amount will show up. Here you can select how your client is going to pay. Are they going to pay by check, by cash, or are they going to give you their credit card? For this example, let's say they're going to pay by check. You simply hit the payment button, and now you can see that a $100 payment was made today by check on this invoice. It's that quick and that simple. Now, if we had sent an invoice directly to this client, what would that look like? Well, we can take a look. Here's an example of an email that they may have received. Dear Gary, thank you for doing business with us. please click on this invoice and make a payment. Now you can imagine, if your clients got an email in their inbox directing them to make a payment right now, they're much more likely to make that payment sooner than if they had to wait a few days after their purchase, get an invoice in the mail, find an envelope, write a check, mail it back to you. You can see that as a business owner, by simply allowing your client to click on a receipt and an invoice, that they can make a payment quickly and easily. The Recharge system makes payments simple and fast. If we go back and take a look at our dashboard now, we can see under the payments listing that the payment that was just made is listed right in here. There it is, invoice 00739 from Gary, paid today for $100. If we look under reports, we can see that payments have been collected. These are all of the customers that have made payments. And here's Gary's payment today for $100. Looking at our dashboard on your main page, you can see that you would have earned $800 in year-to-date income against the $1,000 that you've billed. And there's just $200 that's left outstanding. You can get a snapshot and see here that $200 of those outstanding balances are less than 30 days old, and just a few of them are beyond 30, 60, or 90 days. You've also got a recent activity tab right down here. You can see which invoices you've sent recently and on what days. Now, to make this even simpler, do you notice this blue tab down the bottom here with a question mark? If you click on that, you'll be connected to a chat room. So if you have questions about how to use your Recharge system, click on that, and one of our helpful associates will answer your questions. You can add a new item, start a new invoice, add a new client, or take a new payment right from this screen. It takes just a few moments. All right, folks, that's how easy Recharge is. If you have any questions, please reach out to your TouchSuite certified agent, and they'll help you get set up.